How to transfer your YouTube channel to another YouTube account. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of moving your YouTube channel to a different Google account. Stick with me until the end so you don't miss any of the important steps. Let's jump right in. First, head over to youtube.com and make sure you're signed into the account that owns the channel. Click on your channel icon in the top right corner and go to YouTube Studio. Once you're inside, look at the bottom left and click on Settings. In the Settings window, select Permissions. You'll now see two options. Click on Manage Permissions. This will take you to your Google account's permissions page. You might be asked to sign in again for security reasons, so make sure you're logged into the correct account. After verifying your login, a new window will open showing the current permissions. Right now, you'll likely see only yourself listed as the primary owner. To transfer the channel, click the Invite button in the top right corner of the tab. Now enter the email address of the person you want to transfer the channel to. It can be your other email or someone else's. Once you've entered the email, choose a role from the list: owner, manager, or communications manager. If you want to transfer full ownership of your YouTube channel to another Google account, you'll need to assign that person the owner role. So after entering the email address, make sure you select Owner from the role options and then click Invite. Once that's done, the system will show a message confirming that the invitation has been sent. The person you invited, whether it's yourself on another account or someone else, will receive an email notification. That email will say something like, "Invited you to share ownership of channel name." Now the invited person needs to open that email and click on Accept Invitation. Once the invitation is accepted, they will be listed as an owner of the channel, although you will still remain the primary owner for now. To proceed with transferring full ownership, go back to the Permissions section by clicking Manage Permissions again. You may need to sign in once more to verify your identity. Once you're back in the Permissions window, you'll see a list of all users who have access to the channel. If the invited account has accepted the role of owner, it will be visible in this list. Now, if you're ready to make that person the primary owner, click the drop-down arrow next to their current role and select Primary Owner. Then click Transfer. But here's an important note. Google requires the new owner to be listed as an owner for at least 7 days before you can officially make them the primary owner. So once the 7-day period has passed, go back into the Manage Permissions window on the 8th day. At that point, you'll be able to assign primary owner rights to the new account. And that's it. That's how you can move your YouTube channel from one Google account to another without losing any of your content. If this helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful YouTube tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.